Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome to Hair Problems and No Edges. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing a slick down look for you guys. This will be it, and I'll also be adding these accessories, which is this brim hat and some shades to go with this look. So if you want to see how I got this look and the products that I used to create it, then y'all just keep on watching. Let's go to the video. First thing out there, ladies, first thing. Y'all tell me what the first thing is. Do y'all remember? The first thing when you take your lace frontal off is to moisturize your hair. Do not take your pick, your comb, your nothing and start going through your hair without you add moisture. So that's what the can 2 and the extra virgin olive oil in the water is in the bottle for. Because it's going to keep your hair soft. That's going to be a for sure way to start pulling your hair out, is to comb it without any water and stuff in it. So don't do that. I'm going to go in just with my pick. Let me take any hair out that's in my pick from prior use. And I want to pick out my hair and see if I'm getting any shedding. So clean out your comb, your brush, your pick, whatever you're using, your wide tooth comb, just to see if you're getting any shedding. Because like I said in my previous videos, I don't know if you guys watched it, but if you didn't, I did state that when you bleach your hair, it becomes kind of weak and it breaks. You know, you have a lot of breakage. And that's not what I'm looking for. And I'm very keen. I'm keeping track on if my hair is shedding or breaking or not after I've bleached it. So let's see if we have any shedding in this pick, shall we? So do you see any shedding? No, your girl don't see no shedding. That's a great sign, because you know your hair strands could be very weak once you bleach them. Now my hair ain't the platinum blonde, but it is a honey blonde, and that's enough to cause anybody damage in their hair. Now that I got the wig off, I'm gonna try a different style in my head. Let me get some more moisture in here first. Let me just add a little bit more can 2, because your girl loves moisture overload. And just get that all throughout the head, all throughout the hair strands. Your hair is doing good. Go in with the rosemary oil. Now this rosemary oil is a DIY that I have on my channel. If you guys have not seen that, please go over and watch this video. This is all mixed in one. And this is great to regrow the edges. This oil, I only put it on my edges, and I put it at the very top of crown of my head. The reason for that is because I want to stimulate my hair follicles to grow. You gotta go through a process in order to get your hair back. Now, I've damaged my hair for many a year, so it might take me a minute to get them back. So you got to be patient and just be nurturing and loving and kind to each hair strand. You can rub it for a good 5 minutes, not even 5, maybe a good 2 to 3 minutes, not long. And then I like to go up in the crown of my head, because that's another problem area that I have as far as breakage. My hair breaks a lot at the top of my head, so we're going to get that oil up in there too. Give it a nice massage. Spend some extra time on this part right here. This is the key factor that's going to help your hair to grow back. So now that we got that together, I want to try the slick down method. Right? I'm sure you girls have heard of the slick down method, right? If y'all have not heard of it, the slick down method is when you not only just leave your hair out in a blowout afro like this, but you use Eco Styler Gel or Ampro Styler Gel. A lot of girls use the Eco, the green one. I didn't find the green one. I found the red one. It has argan oil infused in it already, and it's just a max hold. We're going to use that to slick down our hair. So the first thing I want to do is not just slick it down, but I want to create a side part. So I'm parting my hair on my left side. Now that I have the part there, I'm going to go in with some Eco Styler and just start right here in the front, because now that I've created my part, this is where I want to start laying down the hair. And y'all know we got alopecia edges, so you kind of want to like bring your swoop towards the front of your hair, and that's just going to mask our edges. Alright, I'm going to take some Eco. My hair is not that long, so I'm just going to be randomly putting Eco all around. And I am natural, so my hair might not lay. It might not lay as good as someone else whose hair is already relaxed. Your hair is relaxed, of course it's going to lay down flat. my hair is not, so it might curl up on me. I don't know. I never did a slick down. Today is my first time doing a slick down, so you guys are witnessing it as I'm doing it right now. Okay. So we gonna find out together if it's gonna lay or is it gonna roll back up. All right, let's see where we at with this thing. My hair ain't really rolling back up as bad as I thought it would have been, being that I'm not relaxed. But it's doing all right, so we just gonna roll with it. Let me turn around so y'all can see how the back is looking. Now, I did taper down my edges around my nape. Yesterday, I posted a video on how I shaped up my afro. I tapered and lined up my nape. So if y'all have not seen that video, please go over to my channel and watch that one as well. We're just gonna keep going around adding this Eco to our hair. And I like to go in sections. You have better control over your hair when you lay it down in sections. Just part it and add Eco in between your hair. It'll lay a lot flatter. Now when you get to the front right here, instead of bringing it straight down this way, straight down, try to kind of graduate towards the front of your hair. Bring your hair towards the front, because you always want to remember that you have alopecia edges. So start graduating all of this hair up top towards the front. So you're going to create a swoop. So now you're just swooping the hair towards the front. I just keep going through, parting little sections. I'm just adding some gel in between, and that's just gonna help our hair lay a lot flatter and a lot smoother, and everything will just be popping real cute like. Trying to still make sure you don't cover up your part. You don't want to cover your part up. Okay, the last piece up here, I'm just gonna slap some gel right over top that last little section. We just gonna get it slicked down, y'all. Dragging it towards the front of our head. Alright, so now that we have our hair slicked, everything is laid down. You know, you can go ahead and end this step like this and just put your do-rag on, your hair tie, whatever you have, your scarf, and just tie your hair down and, you know, make sure everything is tight and it'll lay. I want to add some kind of character to my hair, right? So I want to add some kind of wave little pattern. So like right here in the front, I'm going to try to put like just some waves. Not pulling them too far back because we know we have the alopecia edges. Just something that's going to be cute. Just dragging some hair. Not, you know, too defined. We just want to add some kind of little swoops in there. Just something that's going to give us some kind of zhuzh to the hairstyle. Still bringing the stuff down. Making sure we have coverage. But just some swoops like right in the front. Like just some cute little, you can even like bring this one out and make it like, you know, one of them little swirls. Them little circles the girls be doing. Create them little circles, like them little Betty Boops in the front. Right? Creating some of them little swirls and stuff. My hair is blonde, so I really can't even see because it's blending in with my scalp. So I'm trying to get it together, y'all. Okay. See how they added more character to their style? Got some swirls going around up in here. You know, nothing too defined. Just so it don't look just so flat and plain. I like to bring my little sides down to my point. Yeah, add some more eco right here. I just noticed I have a different texture of hair right here on my sides. I don't know how many ladies out there have that same problem, but right here on my temple, it's like more coarse, and it doesn't want to lay. Like, it gets really frizzy right here for some reason. I don't know, but we're gonna add some more eco, and we're just gonna lay it back down. So y'all tell me how the back look. I don't have a brush. I could have stole my son's brush, but he definitely don't like me using his stuff to get the product all in. But I think if I had a nice brush to brush my hair with, it'll probably lay these curls down or wave it up, and I can have some waves in my hair or something. Let me show y'all the back real quick. Make sure I'm in frame now while I'm showing y'all the back. I think the taper hairline really did good and made this hairstyle look a lot better now that my hair is tapered down by the nape. And I lined it up yesterday. Y'all check out that video. It's my finger wave video, which the waves didn't really wasn't finger waves. I don't know. Was I out of frame? Let me do it again. It looked like I was out of frame. Alright, let me clean up my forehead real quick before I tie these down so you can see what we're working with. Get some of that oil and eco off your forehead. Okay. Alright. My nose looks like it's shiny. Alright, so just to tie this down, just so everything will stay. You see my edges are starting to roll up. Natural hair girl struggles. I only know something about that. My little edges are starting to roll. That's why I have a hair tie. So we just gonna go in with our hair tie. Tie down this way. Hopefully this works. Go behind the ear, both sides. And then we're gonna tie it right across. We're gonna drag it this way to cover those swoops in the front, and this way. And that should give us some security. Before I come back on camera, I think I might hit it with the blow dryer so we can get the full effect, and then I'll show y'all how it's looking. But yeah, this is our slick down method. Next time I slick my hair down, I did notice I'm not gonna put any oil in it because that's gonna be... All right, y'all, I am back. This is the final look. This is actually day number 2. I wasn't able to record the final results on yesterday, so I'm back today to just try to wrap up this video. It's been a long day. I just got off work again, had to remold down my hair, and this is how the hair is looking. I had on a different scarf yesterday when I tied it down, but I had to take that scarf off because it was full of oil, and so it was not drying my hair at all. So I had to put on one of these cotton do-rags, which I do not recommend because it's very drying, but I needed this to soak up some of that oil in order to lay my hair down. So we just gonna see what it's looking like right now. And I'm sure I probably got like a little indentation from the hair tie on my forehead. Okay. I have this little piece right here, and I'm just gonna add more gel right here, just to certain spots that's still sticking up. I'm just gonna let them bad boys air dry. But this is like the final look. I had some waves up in here too yesterday. I just kept these like the hump and this one little swoop because once it kind of did settle, it was showing a little bit too much of my scalp and my alopecia edges, and that just didn't make me feel comfortable. So I had to comb all that out, bring everything back to the front, and just lay it down as such. But I did keep some of the waves over here so to add still more cuteness and texture to the hairstyle. This is my slick down. Let me give y'all a 360 of how it's looking. See how the back looks. The side. So tell me what y'all think. Okay, so this is the end of the video, but I just got an idea. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if y'all want to see more DIYs, more hair growth regimens and routines, and different styles for my honey blonde 4C TWA. But to top this whole look off, you can definitely go outside and rock it to your fullest, just like it is. But just to add this look up and give it an extra kick and some more flavor, I'm gonna put a little hat on. Now what I got is one of these rims, and we just gonna wear it to the back. Now you don't want to wear like this and cover up all your hard work. What you want to do is it's sitting on right on the back of your head, just like this, because you want all the little edges and stuff, your swoops and all them little waves to still keep popping and showing up and showing out. Period. And when it's sunny outside, you want to throw on your favorite shades, honey, to go with this look. And now you are ready to tackle on the day. Y'all let me know now how y'all think this video turned out. If y'all feeling the hat, I think the hat added a lot more flavor to this look. And let me move my little chair out the way so y'all can see what a sister is working with. So now the look just changed. You throw on a little jacket if your shoulders get cold, but I have on one of these long maxi skirts that go all the way down to the ground. It's real cute. And this will just be the look for the day. So hopefully y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think of my slick down with a little wave action on the side, and addition of accessories, which would be the hat and some shades to match. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all like it. Definitely try it. Go out and try it. Be creative. Get creative with your look. And you never know how it's going to turn out. But I'll check y'all out in my next one.